just be. Don't take it, take it, just don't be and live.
Hey loves, and welcome back to another video. So there's one thing about me is that I love a good clay mask. So in today's video, I'm sharing my experience with the Louie & Kim Rebirth Ultimate Hair Clay Mask. Now this mask isn't a pre-mixed mask, so it does require that you mix it yourself, but it doesn't require much. All you do is you pour the contents of the package into a non-metal bowl, add in some hot water, and then make sure that when you're mixing that you're using a non-metal spoon as well. Now you will see that I did go back in and add a little bit more water and a little bit more powder, and I just continued doing that until I got the mixture to the consistency that I liked. So once the clay mask was finally mixed to the consistency that I liked, I proceeded to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Now my hair has been pre-pooed and the pre-poo has been washed out. So now I'm going to begin just working in small sections, applying the mask to my hair. I'm going to make sure that all of my strands are coated, making sure that I apply it to my ends and my scalp as well, because this is a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioning mask. And I want to make sure that my scalp and my hair gets cleansed. Now a little bit more about this mask. It only contains 2 ingredients. It has bentonite clay, which we know has cleansing and detoxifying properties, and it contains licorice root, which has conditioning and nourishing properties. Now I'm just going to be honest. Knowing that this mask only had 2 ingredients in it, I was kind of skeptical to see how well it is going to work for my hair, because I'm used to having masks that have tons of ingredients. But y'all, this mask did not disappoint at all. Now, if you know me, one thing about me when it comes to the products that I use, I'm all about some slip. And as you can see, this mask is allowing me to easily glide through my strands with no problem. So it definitely passes the slip test. And as you can see throughout this video, this mask had my curls popping. But just keep watching. I'm going to continue adding the mask to my entire head and then cover with a plastic cap before I let it sit for about 30 minutes. So after letting the mask sit on my hair under a plastic cap for about 30 minutes, you can see that it has already absorbed into my strands. So for me, that's a plus. But as I began to rinse it out of my hair, y'all, the way my hair felt so soft, I could not believe it. This mask definitely did the job. My hair definitely did not have to be conditioned afterwards because this mask did what it said it was supposed to do. And y'all, do you see my curls popping? Yeah, I was shocked. Only 2 ingredients? And my curls look like this, and they felt amazing. This is definitely a mask that I'll keep in my stash, and I definitely plan on purchasing another one because, y'all, this right here, it gave everything it was supposed to give. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I have nothing else to say because the mask, it did its job. So until next time, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves!